Good morning and welcome to Cooking, Crafting, and Gardening with Margaret and Mia. We've all heard of that saying to never get so busy that you don't stop to smell the roses. Or these are some absolutely beautiful white roses that you have to stop and smell and to adore. So these are iceberg roses that are just absolutely gorgeous. White roses are not as common as red roses and pink roses here in Texas. And these, as you can tell, they are doing well so far in the Texas heat, which means that they don't require a lot of water and they can tolerate heat. So I just wanted to share them with you just in case you are looking for some roses that might do okay in Texas. So they are iceberg roses, Weeks roses, and these appear to be doing very well. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys, and as you can see, they are absolutely gorgeous.